Take immersion blending to the next level with the Cuisinart Evolution X Cordless Hand Blender. With professional performance and cordless convenience, the cordless hand blender does it all, from blending smoothies, pureeing soups, and making sauces. Powered by a rechargeable 7.4-volt lithium-ion battery that won't lose its charge over time, LED display controls, and a 3-foot removable USB cable port for easy charging. The hand blender will reach a full charge in only 2 hours and will run continuously for 20 minutes. The stainless steel shaft is long enough to reach into pots and bowls to do all your prepping or blending in one place. Use the chef's whisk attachment to create homemade whipped cream in seconds. The 3-cup beaker is marked in liters and cups for convenient measuring. Ergonomically designed for easy gripping and drip-free pouring, the Cuisinart Evolution X Cordless Hand Blender will be your go-to in the kitchen. Enjoy the prep and cooking with the Cuisinart Evolution X Cordless Hand Blender.
See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-In Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this, to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware, and it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-In Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.
The Zulay Kitchen Premium Meat Chopper easily breaks up ground beef, turkey, chicken, hamburger, and sausage for fast and even cooking. Efficiently chops, mixes, blends, mashes, and smashes, making your kitchen tasks easier and faster. This meat chopper has a non-slip ergonomic handle and a 4-blade design that keeps food particles from being trapped. Easy to clean and dishwasher friendly. A simple tool that does its job perfectly. Get yours today.